Welcome to our channel, The Guru of Moving. In this video, we will share 10 effective ways to save money on your next move. Moving can be an exciting and fresh start, but it can also be a stressful and expensive process. Between hiring a moving company, buying packing supplies, and transporting your belongings, the costs can quickly add up. However, with some careful planning and smart decisions, you can save money and make your move a lot easier. In this video, we'll explore 10 ways to save money on your next move. Whether you're moving across town or across the country, these tips can help you save money and reduce the financial burden of moving. Now let's dive into these money-saving tips. 10. Purge before you pack. Before you start packing, go through your belongings and donate or sell anything that you don't need. This will not only save you money on packing supplies, but also reduce the weight of your move, which can help you save on transportation costs. 9. DIY packing. Use items you already have, such as blankets, towels, and clothing, to wrap fragile items. You can also save money by packing yourself instead of hiring movers to do it for you. 8. Shop around for moving companies. Get quotes from several companies and compare their rates and services. Be sure to read reviews and check their credentials before making a decision. 7. Move during off-peak times. Try to schedule your move during weekdays or non-summer months. Moving companies often charge higher rates during peak times, so you can save money by scheduling your move during slower periods. 6. Take advantage of tax deductions. If you're moving for work, you may be eligible for tax deductions. Keep track of your moving expenses, including packing supplies, transportation costs, and lodging, and consult a tax professional to see if you qualify for any deductions. If you are finding these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content and updates on future videos. 5. Get free packing supplies. Check with local grocery stores or bookstores to see if they have any spare boxes you can use. You can also ask friends and family who recently moved if they have any extra supplies you can use. Check out our guide on where to get free moving boxes. 4. Use a rental truck. Consider renting a truck instead of hiring a moving company. This can be a more affordable option, especially if you have a lot of items to move. Check out companies like U-Haul, Penske, and Budget for the cheapest truck rentals. 3. Sell unwanted items. Sell any unwanted items to make some extra cash. You can sell items online, at a garage sale, or through consignment shops. This not only saves you money on transportation costs, but also helps you declutter and simplify your move. 2. Pack and unpack yourself. Consider packing and unpacking yourself. This can save you money on packing and unpacking services provided by moving companies. 1. Use a portable storage container such as the ones you get from UNPACK. Portable storage containers are a great option if you need to store your items for a short period of time. They can be delivered to your home, loaded at your convenience, and stored until you're ready to move into your new home. This can be more affordable than renting a storage unit or hiring a moving company. By following these tips, you can save money and reduce the financial burden of moving. With some careful planning and smart decisions, you can enjoy a stress-free transition to your new home. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content.